How to remove Temu minimum purchase limit just on your device from your PC, laptop available, or from the main application available on your Android or iOS mobile phone. For this, I will take you to the official website and show you some of the genuine steps to do this thing. So, here you can see how to ask customer support to remove the $20 minimum order on your Temu, or how can you simply increase the limit of your account. Go to the customer service and type in remove minimum spend restrictions on the setting. Confirming removing the restriction, and you simply have to go on like this. You can see the screenshot here that how can you can do it. This is quite easy. You just have to go on the Temu chat support and then tell them to just do this thing to your account. Remove the limit. Thank you so much for watching the video.